Dalton State's chemistry program, we have about 80 students currently. I think it's a great program. Students have an opportunity to work on instrumentation that most undergraduates probably don't have an opportunity to work on. There's an opportunity for students to do research projects with faculty, and as a matter of fact, interdisciplinary research.
The student-professor relationship here at Dalton State College, I'd say, is something to make me jealous from when I went to undergraduate. I went to a small school as well. However, I don't feel like I got the attention, not in the first and second year I was there, that you can get here. You can do research here at a young, like right away if you want to as a freshman or a sophomore. I'd say you have a lot of opportunities to access most of the professors here and do things you wouldn't have a chance to do at other schools, even other small schools, because of the fact that I'd say we embrace our students, and that's our first goal here, but we also have facilities. We have a beautiful building we work in. This is also high class, I would say. A lot of chemistry buildings are the oldest building on campus. Ours is the newest here. We have beautiful labs with windows that look out into the beautiful campus.
I'm a chemistry lab assistant here at Dalton State College. I work for Amanda Smith, who is our science lab coordinator, and I am responsible for assisting her in setting up the labs, assisting professors whenever necessary, and I'm helping set up the labs for next week here. I am paid to do this job, which is very nice. It's a work-study job, so I am able to come to school and work on campus.
I decided to pursue a chemistry degree because I feel like I'm an indecisive person, and a chemistry degree allows you to have a variety of options. Like, you could go into the medical field, you could go and be an optometrist or a pharmacist. You could work locally with the industries in our area. Even the food industry has so many chemicals in it. It's everywhere. What I like best about being a chemistry major is the options you have after graduation as well. And the professors too, they're all very encouraging and they motivate you even when you don't think you could get through. I think the relationship between students in the chemistry department is a really close one. We all have each other's backs. If you're struggling with anything, you don't feel bad asking for help because you know they're probably struggling with something else that you could help them with or anything like that. You know, everybody's just close and we're here for each other.